Welcome to 17 Longwood Drive, located in the popular Sun Valley neighborhood of San Rafael. I'm Beverly Barnett with Compass. I'm excited to show you this home. This beautiful renovated 3-bedroom, 2-bath contemporary residence offers 2,500 square feet of living space, where design, natural light, and thoughtfully curated indoor-outdoor living come together in one of San Rafael's most desirable neighborhoods. A wide, inviting driveway framed by manicured boxwoods and pathway lighting leads to a home that sits above the street for added privacy. As we step inside the spacious foyer, we immediately notice these soaring vaulted ceilings. Incredible. Upstairs is where the home really opens up. A contemporary stairway leads to the main level, where an expansive great room features oversized windows and seamlessly connect to the outdoors. I love this great room and how so much natural light from every angle flows in. The great room features a fireplace with limestone hearth and sliding doors that open to a spacious deck with hillside and distant water views. Custom built-in shelving with integrated soft lighting creates an elegant display for barware. The kitchen is newly renovated and absolutely stunning, perfect for the home chef. The newly renovated kitchen is anchored by a spacious island with a striking waterfall-edge Taj Mahal quartzite countertop, offering breakfast bar seating and serving as the true centerpiece of the space. A 6-burner gas range with hood, stainless steel appliances, farmhouse sink, and quartzite backsplash were thoughtfully selected to create a refined, chef-worthy environment. Adjacent the kitchen, a comfortable family room with fireplace offers a more intimate gathering space. Sliding doors open to a beautifully designed patio with white walls and soft lighting, evoking the ambiance of dining in a Santorini courtyard with crisp white walls and cafe lighting. The outdoor experience continues with terraced landscaping, where lavender-lined steps lead to an upper seating area surrounded by greenery, perfect for enjoying a glass of wine while taking in distant water views. Back inside, the home's private quarters are equally impressive. A newly renovated guest bathroom features a Calcutta Nambia stone vanity with waterfall-edge, a deep soaking tub and shower, new tile work, and refined finishes including a Toto toilet. The 2 spacious guest bedrooms are situated at the back of the home. The windows look onto beautiful greenery and lavender, offering a peaceful atmosphere. The primary suite is a true retreat, complete with vaulted ceilings, sliding doors to the deck, and distant views. The beautifully renovated primary bath showcases a Calcutta Oro slab vanity with a striking mosaic feature wall and LED backlit mirrors. A large walk-in shower with mosaic flooring and Toto toilet. Abundant closet space, including a large walk-in closet, add to the home's appeal. Throughout the property, new flooring, carpeting, and lighting create a cohesive move-in ready experience. Just off the entry is a dedicated home office with discreetly integrated laundry area, offering flexibility for today's lifestyle. Additional features include a versatile lower-level bonus space, ideal for a home gym, a large 2-car garage with interior access, and substantial storage. Located in the desirable Sun Valley neighborhood of San Rafael, this home offers a rare blend of tranquility and accessibility. Known for its sunny microclimate, scenic hillsides, and close-knit community feel, Sun Valley is beloved for its proximity to open space, hiking and biking trails, and everyday amenities. The nearby Racquet Club, just a few homes away, adds to the lifestyle appeal, while downtown San Rafael's shops, dining, and commuter access are just minutes away. Ah, time to relax at the end of the day. Thank you for taking the tour of this remarkable property. For more information or to schedule a private showing, call, text, or email me.